The world is changing faster than ever, from tangible to digital, from individual to global. A new kind of value is being born, sustainable, transparent, and limitless. This is YK Prime, developed by YAP Solutions SA and built on the Binance Smart Chain. YK Prime emerges as a digital asset of real utility, uniting innovation with integrity. It's a token with purpose, aligned with global sustainability goals like the Paris Agreement, and committed to protecting local communities. Within the YK Prime ecosystem, every transaction has meaning. It's a transparent network for payments, settlements, and services, transforming real-world assets into liquidity and opportunity. YK Prime is not just another token. It's an ecosystem of innovation, sustainability, and transparency. The revolution of value has begun. Be part of the change. Be YK Prime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.